2026 has been a massive year for the XR glasses market. XR glasses are no longer just a gimmick or some futuristic ideas trying to stay relevant. This technology is developing, is expanding, is getting better and better. And you have companies like Xreal, Xreal, ROGAllyX that is pushing this market forward. But in my opinion, Xreal is currently one of the top leading companies when it comes to innovation and major improvement in the XR glasses market. So back at CES 2026, Xreal unveiled several future projects, and one of the biggest surprises that we saw during CES was the Xreal R1. So the Xreal R1 glasses are designed specifically for gamers. So last week, okay, the wait was finally over. The glasses went official live for pre-order, and today I finally received my pair of the Xreal R1 glasses. So we're going to talk about them. Okay, there's a lot to say about these glasses. So what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tech Talks. First off, I want to say thanks to all of you guys for subscribing to the channel, and for my new viewers here, thank you for stopping by. So on this channel, we talk about tech, we talk about gaming, XR, you name it. If it's technology, we're going to talk about it. So you might agree or disagree with my opinions. That is perfectly fine, guys. As long as you keep it respectful, clean, we are good to go. Before I share my opinions on these glasses, guys, I want to give you a quick unboxing. You know, I'm not big on unboxing, but I just want you to take a look at what's in there. So let's go. Let's do the unboxing of the Xreal R1 and see exactly what you get inside the box. First impression, right away, the packaging from Xreal is always premium. Okay, always clean. The glasses feel like next gen, the product, the moment you open the box. So as soon as you open the box, you leave the tab, the first thing you see is the ROG Xreal R1 glasses themselves. Nicely protected like always, center stage, and honestly, these glasses look sleek, modern, and way more premium than what you get from the other glasses, from the Xreal One Pro. So taking them out of the box, the first thing me personally I noticed is the design. Even when we already saw the design online, they still have that signature Xreal style, but the R1 definitely looks more aggressive in terms of gaming focus compared to previous model, because it's for gamers, guys. All right, now underneath the glasses you get all the extra stuff. You get your docking, you know, what's gonna give you that 240 hertz. You get that, you get all your cables, you get all your traveling case, all that stuff. All right, so overall, my first impression of the unboxing is top of the line, just like always. Xreal always impress you with the boxes. When you look at the Xreal 1 or Xreal 1S, it's always feel premium, and you can expect that from every unboxing from Xreal. I just wanted to give you a quick snapshot so you can take a look. So now, since we're done with the unboxing, okay, I'm gonna give you guys my five initial thoughts. Okay, not my final, my five initial thoughts about the Xreal R1. My first one, okay, is this thing is not a major leap forward in XR hardware. And honestly, that is not necessarily a bad thing, but it is something that you should know if you're gonna buy these glasses. When you use these glasses without the gaming dot, you basically get in very similar display technology and the same field of view that you already get with the Xreal One Pro if you own the Xreal One Pro. So if you were expecting some, you know, major, massive jump in visual quality, in visual, display, next gen type of thing here, you're not gonna get it. As a matter of fact, you might be disappointed to know that. My second opinion, unlike other XR glasses that try to focus on movies, productivity, and casual use, that try to do all this other crazy stuff, these glasses really is gamer focused. Okay, it is made for gaming. So when you use these glasses with the ROG dock, you are getting a 240 hertz display, which means your gameplay is going to be smooth when you're using handheld gaming like the ROG ROGalyX, the Steam Deck OLED, or even gaming laptop. So my third opinion is the comfort here. Okay, the comfort right away. When you look at these glasses, guys, they look big. Okay, they look even bigger than the Xreal R1 Pro, in my opinion. After I spent some time with these glasses, my initial thought is they feel really more comfortable than the Xreal R1 Pro. And for gamers, that is something that is important, because if you're gonna game in those glasses for a long period of time, you want to make sure it's comfortable for you. But once again, this is my personal opinions. Your experience might be a little bit different. Number 4 opinion, okay, I want to share with you is the audio quality. To me, is very impressive. Honestly, the sound quality coming from the Xreal R1 is very impressive. Okay, once you test them, you're gonna say the same thing that I'm saying. And really, at this point, that's something we can always expect from Xreal, because they partnered with Bose. And you guys already know Bose always makes some really good speaker. They always fine-tune audio for their speakers. So that's the same thing you got here with these glasses. The sound, the audio sound very clean, very immersive, and surprisingly very powerful for a pair of XR glasses. Okay. Number 5, this is opinion number 5 for me, guys. The portability for me is a big deal. Okay, I think there are some serious limitations when it comes to portability here, in my opinion. Really, the real game changer is the ROG gaming dock that comes with the device. So that dock is what unlocks the biggest features of these glasses. You're talking about HDR, we're talking about the 240 hertz refresh rate. But if you have to move that dock, yeah, you can still move it, it's portable, but I think there's some limitation in terms of portability with the dock. So all right, everyone, those are my 5 initial thoughts, impression, if I want to call it, on the Xreal R1. And overall, I honestly think these glasses are very interesting for the future of gaming, especially when we're talking about the XR technology, glasses technology. Now, do I think this is some massive next generation leap over devices like the Xreal R1 Pro or the Vitra Beast? Honestly, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. No, okay, they are not. But I do think Xreal and ASUS are trying to create something really different by focusing really on the gaming aspect of XR glasses. The comfort surprised me. The audio quality is excellent when you pair with the dock. The gaming experience is definitely immersive once again when you're using the dock. But at the same time, I do think buyers need to understand that the full experience here depends heavily on that dock that you get from ROG or from ASUS, but it does create some portability limitations here. Okay, so for me, the ROG Xreal R1 feel less like everyday XR glasses and more like a premium gaming accessory for gamers who already own, many handheld gaming PC or a gaming PC. But I want to hear from you guys. Do you think the XR glasses are finally becoming mainstream? Or do you still think the technology needs a few more years? Okay. And more importantly, guys, will you actually buy the ROG Xreal R1? It's still great glasses, don't get me wrong. If you're a gamer, definitely you have to get those glasses as a gamer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, because I got video that I'm pushing out on a weekly basis that I don't want you to miss. As always, guys, watch out for yourself, take care of yourself, and thank you once again for subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in my next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you very soon, guys.